Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you're 40 years old. Now ask yourself, honestly, are your investments working for you, or you're still running up and down chasing money every single day? That's the real difference between people who enjoy their 40s with confidence and those who are still under financial pressure. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 powerful investments every Nigerian should have before turning 40. By the end, you know exactly what your money is doing and where you should be positioned so that your future self will thank you. So grab a pen because this is serious. The number one investment you should have before 40 is the US dollar stocks, or you call them ETFs. Let's start with something many Nigerians ignore, the US dollar investment. If all your savings are sitting down in Naira, you are exposing yourself to serious risk. Inflation continues to rise and the Naira continues to lose value. You need protection. That's where US stocks and ETFs come in. When you invest in companies like Apple, Microsoft or Tesla, or you are buying into the S&P 500 ETF, which represents the top 500 companies in America, you are actually holding money in a stronger currency, which is the dollar, and you are tying your wealth to global businesses that dominate worldwide markets. Now think about it. Apple sells iPhones across the globe. Microsoft powers offices everywhere, and Tesla is reshaping transportation. These are global giants. Now here's the best part. You don't need to buy a full share. Even if a stock costs hundreds of dollars, you can buy fractions. You can start small, even the equivalent of 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira, and you can build consistently from there. Instead of letting money sit in your bank account where charges eat it up, imagine that your money is compounding inside the world-class companies. Before the age 40, at least part of your wealth should be in dollar assets. Consider it insurance against currency depreciation. The second investment you should have before 40 is Nigerian blue chip stocks. Now let's come back home here. Nigeria still has powerful companies and some of them are called blue chip stocks. These are strong, established companies that are essential to daily life. Think about it. Dangote Cement. Can Nigeria function without cement? MTN Nigeria is another example. Almost everyone has an MTN line. And major banks like Zenith Bank or GTCO are handling billions daily. When you invest in these companies, 2 things can happen. 1, your shares can increase in value, and second, you earn dividends, which is the cash paid to you just by being a shareholder. That's passive income. Many Nigerians earn consistent dividend income every year simply because they build strong stock portfolios early. And don't say, I only have 20,000 naira or I only have 50,000 naira. You can start small. Many shares cost less than 1,000 naira per unit. Buy them gradually and accumulate over time. Before 40, owning quality Nigerian blue chip stocks plants your feet firmly in the local economy. Now, the third investment you should strive to have before the age 40 is Treasury bills. If you don't like risks, this one is for you. Treasury bills are short-term loans that you give to the Nigerian government and in return, they pay you interest. Right now, Treasury bills can offer attractive returns compared to leaving money idle in a savings account. For example, if you invest 1 million naira at 15%, you could earn 150,000 naira over the period without stress. No chasing tenants, no watching stocks charts every day. Treasury bills won't make you extremely rich overnight actually, but they protect your capital and give you stability to your portfolio. Before 40, some of your money should be sitting safely in low-risk instruments like Treasury bills. Number 4 on the list of investments you should have before 40 is mutual funds, especially equity funds. Not everyone has the time to monitor stock market. That's where mutual funds come in. You simply give your money to professional fund managers and they invest on your behalf. There are 2 main types you should know about: money market mutual fund, which is lower risk and steady returns, and equity mutual funds, which are higher risk, higher long-term growth potential. Historically, equity mutual funds perform strongly over longer periods. If your money stays in investment for several years, the growth can be very significant. And the entry barrier is actually low. Some mutual funds allow you to start with as little as 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira. If you invest 1 million naira, for example, and earn an average of 25 to 30% annually, that's potentially 250,000 naira to 300,000 naira growth in a year. Before turning 40, At least one solid mutual fund should be in your portfolio. It builds wealth quietly while professionals handle the strategy. Fifth on the list is real estate, and this should be smartly chosen. Nigerians love land, we know, and for good reasons. Real estate has created serious wealth. But here's the truth, not all land is good land. Buying cheap land in remote areas without developing plans can trap your money for decades. Smart real estate investment means buying in fast developing locations, studying infrastructural plans, understanding where people actually want to live or do business. See, land in the right location can double or even triple in value over time. If you can afford to build, think strategically. In high demand areas, short-let apartments or modern units can outperform traditional renters. Even if you are starting small, owning land in a growth corridor before 40 positions you for a long-term gain. Now, sixth on the list is cryptocurrency. It is high risk, it is high reward. But let's talk about it. It is volatile. Yes, it is risky. But cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have created life-changing wealth for early adopters. Bitcoin has grown massively over the years, and Ethereum also has seen tremendous expansion. The key principle here is allocation. I say the word again, allocation. Crypto should not be your rent money. It shouldn't be your emergency fund. Instead, consider putting a small percentage, maybe 5% of your portfolio into it. If it performs well, fine. It can significantly boost your net worth. If it struggles, your core investment remains protected. See, having some exposure to digital assets can also be a strategic move before 40, but only in moderation. The final one on the list, which is the most important investment, is yourself. This is the most powerful one. It's not stock, it's not real estate, it's not crypto. It's you. Before the age of 40, you must invest heavily in high-income skills, knowledge, personal development, business building, and skills like digital marketing, tech, public speaking, design, sales, consulting. This increases your earning power. Assets grow wealth, but skills create income. Look at major entrepreneurs globally. Their wealth didn't come from treasury bills. It came from building solutions and scaling businesses. If you build valuable skills and possibly a business before 40, you create something no economic crisis can easily take away. If you are valuable, opportunities will always find you. On a final note, don't wait until 40 before you start thinking about these things. If you are 20, start now. If you are 30, start now. If you are already 40, it's never too late. The goal is simple. By the time you hit 40, your money should be working harder than you are, which means it should be money working for you, not you working for money. If you found this video helpful, like it, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more practical financial insights. My name is Steve, and I'll see you in another one.